Hello, I'm going to do some more teaching today. Today is on ECG readings, and we're only going to do 2 of them. So the ECG reading, need to understand the ECG goes over the electrical impulse of going through the heart, okay? So this is a picture of that. Now I want to move to this screen because I want to go over the parts of the ECG first. So here's the P wave, here's the QRS, and here's the T wave. The P wave is totally linked to the atrium. It's the electrical impulse through and the contraction of the atrium, and the QRS is linked to the ventricle. It's that electrical impulse through and the contraction. The T wave is all about repolarization of the heart cells to get them ready to do it all over again. All of these need to be there for it to be normal sinus rhythm. So in this, we see that they are all not there. We have QRSs, we have what looks like a P wave, and then, or a T wave after, but we do not really know which of these others are a T wave. They're just kind of fibrillating there. So because it's the P wave that's missing, we know it is atrial, and the fib part tells us it's atrial fib. Okay, so if we go back here, the P wave comes right before the QRS. And if we look at this, the P wave is not really defined. It's just kind of squiggly lines. This is AFib. Okay, the next one I'm showing you is this one. So again, here's my P wave, my QRS, my T, and I want to look for each part in my strip that I'm looking at. So I look at this and I can't see any part. It's just squiggly lines. So there's no P wave, there's no QRS, there's no T wave, and these squiggly lines tell me that that means it's ventricular fibrillation. So treatment for this, because this is not life-sustaining, would be that I would defibrillate them, give them the shock. If I see this, this is life-threatening. They cannot sustain life in this strip. Going back to the first one, the atrial fib, they're going to need to be on anticoagulants, and eventually they would do a cardioversion, which is a shock to bring the heart back into the regular rhythm. They can and sometimes do require a medication to slow their pulse down because the pulse is going really fast here. So we are paying attention to the rhythm and then to the treatment as to that rhythm. So AFib, ventricle fib. I hope this has helped you, and I look to seeing you the next time.